What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making the best grilled cheeseburgers. I have a few tips on how you can get these tender and juicy. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off here with ground beef. This is 80% lean, and these are pre-made patties. You can also use just regular ground beef and form your own patties if you wish. Then I have 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. I like to use that just to add a little bit more flavor. And then I have a little bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon. This helps prevent those burgers from sticking on the grill. And this is my homemade burger seasoning rub. I'll include full measurements and a description for what's in there in the description box below, but feel free to use your favorite burger seasoning. And you're gonna do that for both sides of those patties. Then we're gonna add these to the grill, but first make sure you've got some oil on those grill grates. Again, that will help prevent sticking. And if you want those nice, perfect grill lines, having some oiled grates is gonna help a ton there. So then you're gonna grill those from anywhere from 5 to 9 minutes. You wanna make sure that the internal temperature of those burgers is at least 160 degrees. After I flip them, I add a little bit of cheese and let them cook a couple additional minutes. And then I remove them and I add my buns. It only takes a couple of minutes to toast those buns. This grill is at 450 degrees. And then I load up my burger. And so I start with my toasted buns. I add a little bit of lettuce. Then my burger goes next. It fits so snugly on top there. Then I'm adding some onions and tomato and my bun. Load this up and add whatever toppings you like. They're so good.